Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing kind of a different video. Last week I did a cleaning video and I really enjoyed making that, so I kind of want to do a spin-off and do a cook with me video this week. I'm going to be making my grandma's recipe. This was my favorite meal growing up. I asked for it every year on my birthday. My mom would make it. I seriously just love it. And it is even better because it can be made in the crock pot. So that's how I'm going to be making it today. It's super easy. It's like 4 or 5 ingredients. You just throw it all in together, and then when you get home from your day, it's ready to eat. So I am going to bring you along and show you how it's made. I don't know if I already said what it was called, but it's Swiss steak, and so the protein is steak. It also has tomatoes, onions, and green beans in it, and I serve it over rice. Rice is like my favorite food. It can also be served over mashed potatoes. I've never tried that, but I don't really know how the consistency would be, so I just stick to rice, and I really love it. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Reagan. I would appreciate it if you joined my growing family here and subscribed to the channel. I do post new videos every Friday, and other than that, we are just gonna get started. Just finished eating dinner. It was so yummy. I love that meal still. It's one of my favorites. The time lapse made it seem so fast and easy to make, and honestly, it is that fast and easy to make. Probably total less than 30 minutes in prep time and cook time. Everything, it's seriously so simple, like 4 ingredients. One of my favorite meals. Nothing hard, no hard steps, nothing weird. The crock pot does all the work. It's amazing. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy things like this. I also want to say thanks for the continual support no matter what videos I am posting. I kind of just post whatever I want and whatever I feel, and it's not always consistent. So I might try some more consistent uploads here soon, but I'll definitely make sure to catch you next Friday. Bye, loves.